cleaning these off for me. Oh, and a little bit of blue on there.
I do it on my face.
Whoops. You don't like that one?
I don't know what it is. Hmm?
So who is it?
What is it?
It's Aiden.
It's Aiden. It's Faith. What is this? I asked you this 2 times and I can't to. Faith,
Hey, Faithy.
come in.
That was a big bite.
That's okay. Just bring me a bottle of water when you come. I'm dehydrated.
Okay.
That has got to be some good icing.
She back up and see how she has 2 forks.
Thank you.
Oh! Did you just poke your eye?
No, I didn't put my eye.
Is it all gone?
I'm not that done.
Here, have this.
Okay. To put a tiny bow on it. Then come off.
Are you done?
There's some more. The top. It's on here, Mom.
I see. You have to pick up the bowl and lick it. Lick the bowl.
Okay.
You have to put your forks down.
Okay.
Nope. Here.
Okay. Could you put that up? What?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Do you like it?
He said I like it. He said I like it, Mom.
Holy cow.
Is it yucky?
Keith, I really appreciate
No.
that. I didn't even know.
And I
it was
got
like
you.
that.
I still like it.
What is it?
It's blue. But I like blue.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like cookies. It tastes like cookies.
Cookies.
It tastes like cookie.
It does taste good.
It tastes good.
It's all gone?
It's all done. It's on the wall.
Can you get the very bottom? Can you get your tongue down in there?
I can't see my tongue down here. Oh, it's red on my nose. I'm a full mom.
All full? I bet.
And there
Is your face clean?
is my face not clean.
Lick it out. You got a little bit. Right there. Lick it. Lick it. Yeah. The other side. Yeah. Where?
Another unlucky mom.
I need a napkin. That's up over the microwave.
Why, Mama, why my face so dirty? Your face is blue.
Why's my face so dirty, Mom?
Because you were looking icy.
I just said icing.
You didn't know? Did you forget?
Yeah. Okay, it's so good. But I want to try the purple face.
You want the
Try
purple
Here
fade?
you go.
I'm not hot, Mom.
I've never seen anybody clean their face so good as you do.
Get a little bit on your nose.
You say that like yummy.
Yay! All clean.
Okay, I'm ready. My face is clean.
Your face is clean.
No more icing.
Violet.
You don't have a blue face anymore.
Ooh, a blueberry. I mean a blackberry. You
Ooh.
gonna eat it?
You're welcome. But just put on the counter.
Was it good? Sour?
Ew. Okay, yeah.
You need a drink? Oh. Where's your glass to get you a drink?
I take it's all done. I like that. I like sweet water. Let me sit it down.
Set it down. I can't turn it off.
Take the
No,
face.
that's cake batter. Oh, dang. That's cake batter. That's not icing.
Violet, I love you.
Yeah.
You got a seed. Is that a seed?
Yeah, that is the seed. It was in my mouth.
It was in your mouth?
Look, not come off. It's
Yep.
already come off. So, let me put this up.
We're gonna put them on the cupcakes later.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Violet.